Everybody, Robert Russell here with InsurancePricedRight.com. Today is July the 14th, 2020, and we are now many years after I started my initial series of how to sell life insurance over the phone. We are now in a time where selling insurance over the phone is probably more recognized by insurance people because of the coronavirus and people having to work out of their house. And we have about 260 agents all over the United States selling insurance over the phone. So I'm going to give you some simple math on how to break your numbers down so that you can hit some attainable numbers. One of the first questions I ask people when I talk to them to figure out where they want to be is I ask them, how much money do you want to make per month? The most common answer that I hear is $10,000 a month. That's the most common, which is $120,000 a year. Not a bad number, considering that the average insurance agent only makes $34,000 a year. $10,000 a month is not a bad number. Personally, I don't see how anybody can live off of $10,000 a month, but it doesn't matter. All right, so here's what I want to do is I want to talk to anybody that's selling insurance over the phone, whether it's car insurance, homeowners insurance, life insurance, health insurance, disability, whatever it is. I want you to look to see what your average commission is per month, and then pause this video and then come back and I'll show you how to break those numbers down so that you can set up some daily numbers of what you need to go after. I don't want you to go for yearly numbers because those are crazy. Nobody can go after yearly numbers because you're not working on a year at a time. You're working on a day at a time. Once this day is over, tomorrow is a new day. So we're going to work on daily numbers. Forget about what you're going to make per month, what you're going to make per year. Let's worry about what you're going to make today. That's it. Nothing else. First of all, you have got to set up a method where you're sending out at least 30 quotes per day. 30. Out of that 30, you should be able to close at least 15 a day. So let's say that you're a newbie, brand new insurance agent. You've never sold anything. But let's say that you just sold a few and your average number is, I don't know, I'm going to go on my numbers. My number is $62 a month commission. That's my average commission per policy, whether it's car insurance, homeowners, life insurance, whatever it is. My average is $62 a month. And people say, Robert, with the kind of money that you make, why do you care about the 62? But the reason I care is because of the money that I make. I know how to break this thing down. All right, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to take $10,000, which is what people tell me most of the time, and take 10,000, divide that by 62, $62 a month. You will get 161.29 as your number, 161.29. Multiply that, divide that by 12. 161.29 divided by 12 equals 13.44 per month. That's how many policies you need to sell per month to hit 10,000 a month. Now you're thinking, that doesn't sound right. Well, let's do the math. 13.44 times 6 times 16. 13.44. Hold on, let me do the math here. 44 times 61. 62. Hold on. 13.44 times 62 is $833.28 a month. Well, that's not 10,000. Yeah, I know that. But now we're going to take 833.28 and multiply that times 12. And that's $9,999.36. And why are we doing that by 12? Because, let's divide that back by 12. 833.28 is going to be what you're going to get paid from last month. You're going to make another 833.28 next month. The next month, you're going to make another 833 on top of the first 833, on top of the second 833, on top of the third 833. So it's an as earned commission. 833 for the month of August plus 833 for the month of September. We're now up to 1666 plus 833 for October. We're now at $24.99 per month plus 833, 3,332 for November. And it keeps going. And at the end of 12 months, you're going to hit 10,000 a month of income. Now, for people that are selling car insurance, these numbers are going to be crazy for you, because if you continue to do 13 apps per month at $62 a month, and these people never lapse or never drop their insurance, or you have to replace them with somebody else because you didn't keep them up to date on rates, then if you continue to do $833 a month, your income is going to keep growing every single month. In 2 years, you'll be up to 20,000 a month. 3 years, 30,000 a month. 4 years, 50,000 a month, and so on. 4 years, 40,000 a month. 5 years, 50,000. So it keeps going. Now, I've been doing this for 35 years. So imagine what kind of money I'm looking at on a monthly basis, because I've been doing as earned for the last, I haven't got an advance in 30 years. I quit. I did advance my first 5 years. And then I started getting as earned because I wanted some more steady income. But I haven't received any advance commissions in over 30 years. So for car insurance people, these numbers are going to be crazy for you. Homeowners is going to be a little bit different. If you can sell for homeowners people, if you're selling nothing but homeowners insurance, and let's say that your average is, 62 times 12, 744. That's a pretty big number for a homeowner's commission. You're going to have to figure out where you need to be on homeowners. On life insurance, $62 a month should be nothing. Most people now, because they have status, they really don't want to look at anything below $1 million of life insurance. Whenever somebody is talking to other people and they tell them they've got $1 million of life insurance, now it's not just it's a status thing, because now they can say, I got $1 million of life insurance. I'm worth more dead than I am alive, which is, kind of a crazy thing. But you know what? If they want to say that, that's fine, because on $1 million, you're going to make some money. So that's how you make $10,000 a month. I want you to try this method out and try to sell 13 apps in 1 month. When you get up to 13 apps in 1 month, then call me and I'll show you how to get to 15 apps per day. And if you want to do the math on 15 apps per day, let's just do it. It'll be kind of fun. So 62 times 15 is $930 a day times 20 working days in a month. It's $18,600 a month. That's going to keep growing. So let's just say 18,000 plus 18,600. It's 18,600. I'm gonna need to write all this stuff down. But anyway, it's gonna be crazy. The numbers will be crazy. So that's it for me. Go back and watch my video series. There's 38 videos about selling life insurance over the phone. If you have any questions for me, my first question is going to be, when you call me, how many videos have you watched? If you tell me any number below 37, I'm going to tell you to go back, watch all of the videos, then call me. I'm not trying to be rude, but I've spent over 3 years with these videos explaining my process, and I'm not going to spend 2 hours with you on the phone when you could have spent an hour watching all the videos on your own. So my telephone number, 972-679-9029. Y'all have a great day, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye now.